If you've been searching for how long Retatrutide can be kept in the fridge, here's the honest answer, and it's an important one. This video is for general education for UK audiences. It is not medical advice, and it cannot give you specific storage durations for Retatrutide. For that, you must follow your IMP label or clinical trial protocol, and we'll explain exactly why in a moment. Retatrutide is still an investigational medicine. It has not been approved by the MHRA or the EMA, which means there is no official product labelling, no summary of product characteristics, and no confirmed refrigerated shelf life that applies outside of a clinical trial. It's worth noting that regulatory status can change, so always check the MHRA and EMA websites for the latest updates. Because no approved SmPC exists for Retatrutide in the UK, we simply cannot tell you how long it's good for in the fridge. Any storage instructions that do exist are tied to specific clinical trial protocols, and those are not transferable to general use. If you're a trial participant or a healthcare professional handling this medicine, the only storage guidance you should follow is what's written on your investigational medicinal product label or set out in your trial protocol. For general context, authorised injectable medicines in a similar class, such as semaglutide or tirzepatide, are typically stored between 2 and 8 degrees Celsius, away from the freezer, away from direct light, and away from the fridge door, where temperatures can fluctuate. That gives you a sense of how sensitive this class of medicine can be. But to be absolutely clear, those conditions apply to those licensed products, not to Retatrutide. There are also some important warning signs to know about. If the solution looks cloudy, discoloured, or contains visible particles or crystalline deposits, do not use it. If it has been frozen, do not use it. These are general red flags for peptide injectables. If Retatrutide has been left out of the fridge or exposed to temperature changes, don't simply put it back and carry on. Note what happened, the time and temperature if known, and contact your trial coordinator or dispensing pharmacist before using it again. That step really matters. And when it comes to disposal, expired or unusable Retatrutide should never go in household waste. Return it to a community pharmacy or follow the clinical trial returns process you've been given. If you have any concerns about storage, handling, or whether a dose is still safe to use, please speak to your doctor, trial coordinator, or a qualified healthcare professional. This is not an area where guesswork is appropriate. So to recap, Retatrutide has no approved UK storage guidelines because it hasn't been licensed yet. Regulatory status may change, so keep an eye on MHRA and EMA updates. And if anything seems off, the appearance, the temperature history, anything at all, contact your healthcare team before proceeding. If you found this helpful, leave a comment below with your questions. And if you'd like more straightforward, medically accurate information like this, please like this video and subscribe to the Bolt Pharmacy channel.